Welcome back, Jaguars and family. Today we're going to be talking about multiplication. I have three problems here that we are going to multiply, and we're going to use three different methods. The first one, we're going to use the standard algorithm, 129 times 26. We'll put 129 on top because 129 has the most digits and it is larger. 6 times 9 is 54. The ones place value comes down into my line. The 5 or the tens place value carries over to the next number. So I start off 1 to 1, 1 to 10, 1 to 100. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. I write the 7 down in my line and I carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now I am done multiplying by the ones place value. And I put a 0 here to show everyone that I have already multiplied everything by the ones place value. And I'm going to start multiplying by the digit in the tens place value. Anything times 10, any 10, will always end in 0. So this placeholder will always begin our second line of multiplication. Just as before, I will start with the 2 and go to the 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry my 1. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So 129 times 26 is 3,354. The next strategy I am going to show you how to use when multiplying is called a base 10 strategy. So I have 283 times 25. I am going to use 283 because it's the larger number. I will keep that. But I'm going to multiply 283 times two different numbers. 25 can be broken into expanded notation, and that is 20 plus 5. So I multiply the first one times 20 and the second one times 5. Now, if you notice, the 0 for the 20 is setting off to the side because all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that in my answer. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. The 5 comes down. The 1 gets carried over to the next place value. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. And then I will add these two numbers together. So then I will put the 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 10, 7. 283 times 25 using the base 10 method is 7,075. The final method and strategy I'm going to show you is called lattice. So we'll start by making the lattice box. We go 3 across and 2 down. Once I have drawn my lattice box and I have my numbers in the area where I want them, I will start multiplying. 6 times 6 is 36. The 3 will go up, the 6 will come down. 6 times 8 is 48. 4 up, 8 down. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 up, 0 down. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, I am going to be adding down the slides. So the first one is right there. 8. There's nothing to add to it, so he stays in 8. 6 plus 1 plus 4. 6 plus 1 plus 4. That is 11. The 1 goes down, and the 1 from the tens place goes up. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. The 9 comes down, the 1 goes up. And as you can see, I'm just adding straight down these little columns that I have made. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 3 has nothing to add to it, it just comes down. And my answer starts from the exact opposite side that I started adding. It's 3, 6, 9, 1, 8, 36,918.